How can a free business bank account unlock advanced cash flow and payment features for your growing company? That's the core question when comparing the two main offerings from Relay, a digital banking platform built specifically for small businesses, Relay Standard, free account versus the premium paid plan, Relay Pro. Relay Standard Banking is a game changer right out of the box, especially if you follow systems like Profit First. You get up to 20 individual checking accounts and 2 savings accounts, all with no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balances. This is all about financial organization and control, letting you easily budget and track funds for taxes, payroll, and expenses in separate, dedicated buckets. You also get 50 debit cards, simple team expense management, and seamless integration with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. For most small businesses and startups, this is more than enough for everyday operations. So, why upgrade to Relay Pro? The difference comes down to speed, automation, and advanced accounts payable. Think of Relay Pro as your upgraded financial control center. First, speed of payments. While the standard account offers next-day ACH, Pro gives you same-day ACH transfers. For businesses with time-sensitive payroll or vendor payments, that immediate speed can be critical. Second, transaction costs. Standard accounts charge small fees for outgoing domestic and international wires. Relay Pro? You get unlimited free outgoing domestic and international wires. If you frequently send large or cross-border payments, this alone can make the monthly fee well worth it. Finally, and perhaps the biggest feature, is accounts payable automation. Relay Pro includes sophisticated tools like the ability to automatically import bills from your accounting software, set up multi-step approval rules for payments, and batch pay your vendors. This is about elevating your back-office efficiency, ensuring that all your payments are approved by the right people and processed seamlessly from one platform. In short, Relay gives you the essential, powerful fee-free banking tools for organization. Relay Pro takes it a step further, adding payment speed, reduced transaction fees, and advanced automation for businesses scaling their operations and needing sophisticated expense control. Choose the standard Relay account if you prioritize organization and a zero monthly fee structure. Step up to Relay Pro when time-sensitive payments and powerful accounts payable automation become necessities for your growing enterprise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.